YouTube, your ticket to freedom. Ever dreamt of escaping the daily grind? Imagine this: waking up excited, setting your own hours, and earning money doing what you love. Sounds good, right? Well, YouTube can make it happen. It's not just cat videos and makeup tutorials. It's a platform for financial freedom and a chance to live life on your terms. Forget the lottery, YouTube is the real deal. It's your chance to break free from the ordinary and become the master of your own destiny. Think of it as your own TV channel, broadcasting to the world. What will you share? What impact will you make? Intrigued? You should be. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy. It's happening right now for millions of creators worldwide. And guess what? You can be one of them. Cash in your content, how YouTube pays. Let's talk money, honey. YouTube offers multiple avenues to monetize your passion. First up, we've got ads, those little commercials before and during videos. They generate revenue based on views. More views, more money. Then there's sponsorships. Build a loyal following, and brands will line up to collaborate. Product placements, sponsored segments, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget affiliate marketing. Recommend products you love and earn a commission on every sale. But wait, there's more. Merchandise, anyone? Design your own t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and sell them directly to your fans. See, I told you the possibilities are endless. Ditch the 9-to-5, be your own boss. Say goodbye to the soul-crushing monotony of the 9-to-5. With YouTube, you're the boss. Set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and answer to no one but yourself. Imagine this. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and you're still in bed. That's the beauty of being a YouTuber. You make your own schedule. Work when you're feeling inspired, take breaks when you need them, and say goodbye to those dreaded Monday morning blues. No more commuting, no more office politics, just pure creative freedom. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? What are you passionate about? Cooking, gaming, travel? Whatever it is, there's an audience for it on YouTube. Turn your passion into a thriving career by sharing your knowledge and expertise with the world. Take, for example, those cooking channels. People teaching you how to make sourdough bread, perfect pasta, or the most decadent chocolate cake. They're not just sharing recipes, they're building communities, inspiring creativity, and earning a good living in the process. Or those travel vloggers, exploring exotic destinations, experiencing different cultures, and documenting it all for our viewing pleasure. They're living the dream and inspiring us to do the same. And yes, they're getting paid for it. The time is now. The digital world is booming. More people than ever are consuming online content, and the demand for fresh, engaging videos is only going to increase. There's never been a better time to start your YouTube channel. Think of it like this. YouTube is a gold rush, and the early birds get the biggest nuggets. The longer you wait, the more crowded it gets. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Grab your camera, film your first video, and take that leap of faith. Remember, every YouTube giant started with a single video. Your first upload might not be perfect, but that's okay. Just keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing. So, there you have it. The world of YouTube awaits, full of opportunity, excitement, and the potential for a life-changing journey. It's time to ditch the excuses, unleash your creativity, and start building the life you deserve. Who knows? You might just become the next YouTube sensation. Remember, the only thing stopping you is you. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make it happen. Lights, camera, action. I hope you've been inspired. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We care because your growth matters.